Hello guys, welcome back to another one of the Making Music Melodies video. So today we're going to be learning how to play some basic notes on the xylophone, which we have right here. So first off, you're going to need to get some of these sticks, which we're going to be using to play the instrument. And they're just normal mallets. And the first thing that we're going to need to know about playing the xylophone is what clef we are in. If you guys remember, clefs are this fancy little squiggly thing right over here, and this will tell us where the notes are on the staff. You can see every single one of these notes has their each little bar slash in between a bar, and you can think about it as each one of these, since each one of these notes has their own bar, each one of the notes will have their own bar on the xylophone. So, if we start off with E, because that's the first one right here, you can see a little bit in the video. I don't think it turned out very well, but I have them written down on all of these, because that's just how the xylophone came. But you can see that this is an E, so if we hit it, it'll sound like an E. And then, if we go up one, we will play an F. And you can see that right here, the F, which is in between these two bars, is right above this E. So then, if we play the one above the F, you might be able to guess it's the G. And the same for the A, then the B, then the C, then the D, then the E, and another F. So, if we go up, we can go E, F, G, A, B, E, D, and then we're back at E. So, you can see that we go from E to E from right here on the xylophone. And this pattern will continue throughout the entire thing, no matter how long or how large the xylophone is. So it will always go E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so on. It might not always start, like for example, on the end of my xylophone on this note right here, you can see that this is actually a G. And so it can like start on any note with on either end, but it will always continue the same pattern of E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E somewhere inside of it. And you can see that on mine it will start with G, A, B, C, D, E, which is the exact same thing as G, A, B, C, D, E right here. So it's just the pattern that continues throughout the entire instrument. And then we've really only been talking about this bottom row of notes. And when we will teach you guys sharps and flats, that's when we're going to deal with this top row. So, let's say we want to play, we'll just pick a random note, G. G is going to have a flat and a sharp. And so, you can see that if we move one down, or like a half step down, we will go to our G flat. It'll always be on this little top row, and it'll be just about like a half step down the xylophone. So that will sound a little bit lower than the G. And then you probably guessed it, if we move up a half step to this one right here, we can go to the G sharp. So that'll be. And then that's pretty much what you need to know for the basic keys. Then tuning, there isn't really any tuning that you need to do with the xylophone, because it's always pretty much in tune unless you severely damage a key or something's touching it. And so as long as you're being careful and, you know, respectful of the instrument, you should be fine and shouldn't have to change anything when you're about to go and play. So So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe, learned something new. But I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.